We originally started with a cast iron side plate using OEM tension bolts. As machining rotary motors got better and better, we started using studs in those OEM plates. This allowed for a strengthening of the block, and we started to go to oversized studs using steel, titanium, creating lighter, stronger motors. We came to the realization we couldn't add enough studs to truly strengthen these blocks the way we wanted to. We also wanted lighter weight blocks. With our plates flipped over, another big improvement is additional cooling surface area. You can see the Billet Inc. actually has a removable faceplate, creating a modular plate design. So in the advent of a blow up or needing to resurface your side housing, with your modern rotary, you can actually remove that faceplate and put a fully new one in there. The improved cooling passages, improved stud placement and sizing all lead to a stronger, better cooling block.